Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we right now are looking to be maybe forming this falling wedge right now on the Bitcoin price action. It looks to be that we are forming a downward sloping resistance line from the top side, and you could be approaching it on two different ways here, like you can see right now exactly in this chart. As well, we are forming a clear downward sloping support line, and this support line is going to be extremely important in this scenario, since a falling wedge is usually a bullish bias pattern, and we will be right now looking if we could be holding on towards this supportive line here to maybe even create a leg towards the upside as we are going to continue further in this pattern. So guys, if this sounds interesting, make sure that you're going to right away smash up that like button. Let's go once again for 400 likes on this video, and if we could be reaching it on this video, it will be truly amazing, since we could be of course helping the whole cryptocurrency out there, since the more likes this video will be getting here, the more viral the cryptocurrency space is going in general. So I'm already looking forward towards this. As well, we're going to discuss the 4-hourly current trend, and of course we're going to go over the daily time frame, what we're currently seeing in terms of momentum, and what we are seeing of course in terms of price charting here. So yeah, let's go right away into the video, and let me start off with discussing the Bitcoin 1-hourly predictions, since right now it looks to be that Bitcoin is forming a very significant falling wedge here, what is typically of course a bullish bias pattern. So let me right away go in towards it, and let me start discussing it here, of course. So you can clearly see right now here, we have been forming a downward sloping support line, and we've already got approximately 5 or 6 touch points already. And of course, you know, the more touch points that are going to become on this significant pattern, the more likely it is going to be that we are as well going to show more significance in this specific channel. So yeah, we are seeing quite a lot of touch points on the supportive line here. So we'll be for sure taking this level very seriously in the coming days here. So this level will be, for me at least, a major level of accumulation, and this will be as well a major level that I want to be seeing to hold on for the Bitcoin price action. So as soon as we're seeing a 1-hourly candle close below this level, yeah, we could be see of course Bitcoin falling way further towards the downside. But generally, if I'm looking right now to this chart, it looks to be that we are maybe forming a similar pattern like we did over here. Like over here, we were forming as well a falling wedge, and a falling wedge over here as well broke out towards the upside. So I'm definitely looking forward towards it, how this one will be playing out. Since we also traded this one towards the upside, I will be looking forward towards maybe trading this one as well towards the upside. And of course, if you want to be joining me with my next trade here, make sure that you're already going to sign up here with Bybit and the link in the description. And as well, for all the people wondering, if you really want to be joining my trade, make sure to follow me here on Twitter at RoverCRC. If you're going to hit the follow button over there on Twitter, you will be at least staying up to date about the next major move that we are going to take all together here. And as well, you will be staying up to date about all the market developments. And if I'm going to open a trade, I will be either telling you guys here on YouTube or on Twitter, or both, of course. So make sure that you're already subscribed to this channel, ring the bell notification, so you're not going to miss out on the move that we are going to take all together. Since the measured price target here, if we're going to see a breakout of this falling wedge, we could be seeing a 5% surge back towards the 50.5k here. So this is going to be definitely a very beautiful trade that we could be potentially taking over here. And right now, what my strategy will be here is wait, just stand on the sidelines. I will be waiting, seeing if this pattern could be maybe creating more confirmations and more consolidation, so we could be really open and beautiful trade out of it. I mean, to be very honest, we could be seeing an apex getting reached here in the coming, let's say, 1 or 2 days here. So probably maybe near the end of today, or maybe the beginning of tomorrow, we will be really announcing, okay, I'm going to trade it, or no, I'm not going to trade it. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out here on the channel, since this is definitely a big opportunity. So if I'm being very honest right now, the 4-hourly candles are not looking extremely good here. I mean, the 4-hourly candles forming, of course, a high over here, lower high over there, and once again a lower high over here. So we're clearly forming a lower high trajectory, and a lower high trajectory is of course a downtrend. And as long as we're forming these lower highs, I want to be remaining a little bit more bearish, even though I'm seeing right now a bullish continuation pattern. And as well, on the 1-hourly candles, we were seeing some bullish divergence already playing out here, and maybe if we're going to continue further towards the downside and see another bullish divergence, I will be already open a long position over here, since I will be trying to catch every single move towards the upside. Yesterday I already announced that I sold approximately 20% of my portfolio. I will be potentially buy back here if we're going to, of course, see a breakout towards the upside of this falling wedge. But once again, you have to keep up to date here. You have to stay up to date by subscribing to the channel and ring the bell notification. And I also told everyone that I sold it here at literally on $50,000. So I already did a pretty good and pretty solid job here, since from there on we have been seeing a 5% pullback. But right now we'll be looking forward towards, of course, reaccumulate some more, and of course yeah, build a bigger position up here once again here. So yeah, on Bybit I will be trading it for sure, as well near the end of this week or the beginning of next week. We're probably going to do a 50,000 US dollars towards 100,000 US dollars challenge, or it will be just one towards 2 Bitcoin challenge. So it's, yeah, of course, approximately going to be 48,000 US dollars. So make sure that you're as well subscribed to the channel if you want to be seeing me doing this 50,000 towards 100k challenge. And I will be as well share all the details here on this channel. I will be sharing all the details on how I'm going to trade it. And yeah, if you want to be joining me with this challenge, make sure to already sign up here with Bybit. So yeah, Bitcoin is forming this bullish divergence here on the RSI, resulting in the prices moving up here on 1 hourly candles. But this could be for sure playing out another time if we're going to see a major decreasement once again back towards levels around the 47.2k. So stay up to date, because maybe I'm already going to open a minor position today here. So what you can see is one of the 4 hourly candles is that this previous level of very strong support, like you can see over here, the green line, it supported this pretty well over here. You can see several touches over here. We got approximately 3 touch points over there, and yeah, we got supported very well by that. But of course, just a few hours ago, just approximately 8 hours ago, we were getting a major rejection by this level on the 48.5k, and this is right now providing, of course, yeah, even more downward pressure in the market. If I'm looking to the momentum indicators, you can see the RSI is in a healthy downtrend. If I'm enabling the MACD, of course, I was already warning you guys about this downtrend getting started here, literally while we were trading on 50k. And usually people don't like me to say this, but I am always honest with you guys. I've been once again exactly predicting this correction, and you could be right to join the channel as well by smashing up the subscriber button, because we are the only channel here on YouTube that is giving you honest TA and realistic TA. And if you're just always disable your emotions and just look at what the chart is telling us, you're going to crush the market. And that is exactly what we did. We were telling you guys, don't look at shorts, don't look at longs. I mean, you can rather short the market. I think it's too scary, so I did not open a short position. But what I did do was, of course, sell a little bit of a holding position to buy back cheaper. And right now, that's exactly what I'm going to do here. So yeah, we were seeing a reversal signal on the 4 hour playing out. And we, of course, exactly predicted that. And right now, it's looking like a healthy downtrend. So I'm not seeing a reversal yet here. But of course, guys, if I'm going to see a sign of a reversal, I will be right away announcing it to you guys to, of course, open a new long position or open a new position in general. So yeah, if I'm looking to the daily candles, I'm still getting a little bit worried here, since on the daily, yeah, we are clearly in an uptrend. We are still forming. Excuse me, let me remove these drawings real quickly. But if you're looking on the daily, you can clearly see, yeah, we are forming higher highs, we are forming higher lows, we are looking in a very healthy uptrend. That is for sure true. You can see as well the upward slope of the support line looking very healthy over here, supporting the channel several times here. You can see right now Bitcoin as well retesting this level once again here, and I would love to see, of course, yeah, move towards the upside getting trade from here on. But what you can see right now is that we are creating diminishing returns here, and usually once you're creating diminishing returns in such a rally, you could be seeing a very significant pullback. Because let's look at this over here on the previous run up. You can see diminishing returns coming in and coming in, and after that you start to decrease, and of course after that we're going to increase once again here. So we could be maybe see a pullback before really moving up. That's for sure a thing that's possible, and that's the reason why I will be a little bit more cautious right now on the exact time of recording. And if I'm very honest right now, we could be maybe as well look at some kind of an some kind of a rising wedge here on the daily candles. It's not the most beautiful one here, but for sure this could be playing out anytime soon as well. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards this significant move here on the daily candles. I mean, yeah, for sure, if I'm looking to the 1 hourly candles, I think we could be still see a move towards the upside getting traded out of this. So I will be for sure trading this one towards the upside if we're going to see a breakout. But if I'm being very honest with you guys, I will be still remain very cautious, and I will be using a very tight stop loss here, since of course on the daily candles we're seeing a clear momentum loss on the RSI. We're seeing lower highs getting created here, where the RSI is still forming higher highs there as well. If I'm looking to the MACD, I'm seeing still the histogram is telling us that we're forming lower highs, price action still forming higher highs as well. The MACD is currently giving us a signal that they are losing strength right now, and that the prices could be still dropping off very significantly from here on here. So make sure that you're going to at least pay attention towards it, since if you're not paying attention to the daily candles, you're always going to go to Rex City. And we are, of course, trying to reach the awareness on all the honest opinions that we're seeing right now. To be very honest as well, I still think there's a lot of room for the altcoins to grow over here. Altcoins still approximately, it has been going sideways for the past 6 days or so, but still have room for another 9% correction here in the Bitcoin dominance. And this could be leading, of course, to the Bitcoin dominance visiting once again the 40 or even below the 40%, of course, like you can see right now on the top right of your screen over here, 39.9%. And if we're going to reach this target, it's going to be extremely good for the altcoins. If we are going to fail to hold on to that level, my next target in the Bitcoin dominance is going to be the 35%. The reason why I'm targeting that level here is if I'm looking back to the history. It's a very well-known level of support. It was the bottom of the Bitcoin dominance basically. So let's see if we could be even going below the bottom. It's going to be absolutely interesting how this is going to play out, of course, and I will be for sure keeping you guys up to date about all the developments that we're going to create here. And if we're going to create such a kind of a pattern, I will be going out of all my altcoins. But of course, right now I don't think that we're seeing a reversal pattern yet here. But I'm looking forward towards how it's going to end here, of course. So yeah, guys, this was already it for today's video here. Make sure that you're going to smash up the likes here if you want me to see opening a trade on this significant pattern. I will be for sure trying to do so if the pattern shows me enough significance, of course. So guys, I will be checking you guys in the next video here on this channel, and peace out. Goodbye.